Jai Guruji viewers, this is the concluding video for narration. In this video, we will be covering imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which express advice, request, suggestion, etc. And exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express the sudden feelings of the mind. So let us look into the rules. The first rule says that said or said to will be converted into requested, ordered, suggested, commanded, etc. We have to see the sentence in reported speech and then we have to convert said or said to into requested, ordered, suggested, etc. In the same way, when we are talking about inverted commas will be converted into to or not to. When my sentence is a negative sentence, I have to remove the inverted commas and I have to write not to here. Then the words like please or sorry will be removed from the sentence as we are using the word requested. So it is very much clear that requested means we are requesting something, so there is no need to use the word please. Sorry is used for apology. So in the same way, we have to remove this word as well. Now talking about the rules, these were the rules for imperative sentences, viewers. Now I am discussing the rules for exclamatory sentences. Here, sign of exclamation will be removed and inverted commas will change into that. Said or said to will change into exclaimed with sorrow, joy, regret, etc. This again depends upon the type of reported speech that is given to you. If in reported speech I am mentioning a sentence, hurrah, I have won the race, that means I am expressing my joy. So it will be exclaimed with joy. Friends, there are many sentences in which you will not be able to find out whether it's a joy, sorrow or what feelings you are expressing. So in that case, you can simply replace said or said to exclaimed as well. It will be correct. So these are the rules for imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences. Only some of the rules have to be taken care of. Rest of the rules are same. Now let us discuss the examples for both the categories so that the things are more clarified to you. First example, I said, commas, inverted commas, please help me. It is very much clear that this sentence is a request. So I will simply write, I requested to help me. Me, first person, will go according to the subject. Subject is I only. Second sentence, the teacher said, commas, inverted commas, do not tell a lie. It's an advice. So here I'll be converting my sentence. The teacher advised not to lie because it is a negative sentence. If I talk about exclamatory sentences, I said, commas, inverted commas, alas, I am ruined. Alas is very much expressing that I am very much upset. I am in sorrowful mood. So the sentence will be like, I exclaimed with sorrow. I will remove alas, I will remove the sign exclamation, I will simply write that. I exclaimed with sorrow that I was ruined. Why I am using was? Because ismr changes into was were. We have discussed it earlier. Now, and the last sentence says, the student said, commas, inverted commas, what a beautiful painting. Viewers, in this particular sentence, the student is actually exclaimed with joy. He is not having any word to express his feelings of mind, and he simply said that what a beautiful painting. That means he has seen a beautiful painting. So in this sentence, I will remove the word what and I'll do certain changes. The student exclaimed that it was a very beautiful painting. So like interrogative sentences, in exclamatory sentences also, we convert exclamatory sentences into affirmative sentences. So viewers, that was all which I have to cover in my videos regarding narration. I have tried to explain all the rules in a simplified manner. Still, if the students or the viewers are having any doubts, your suggestions are welcomed. I will be more than happy if you will comment on these videos, if you like it, or subscribe my channel, and I can make you sure that you will not be having any doubts in grammar with Alluring English. Jai Guruji viewers.